Tired of financial friction turning your relationship into a battleground? Let's fix that with Rocket Money. First things first, both you and your partner need to download the Rocket Money app and create your own individual accounts. Now, the key is securely linking your bank accounts to Rocket Money. This is how the app tracks your spending and identifies recurring bills. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses bank-level encryption. Next, within the app, go to Settings, then Accounts, and then invite your partner to link their account to yours. This creates a shared view of your finances, but with individual login credentials. Let Rocket Money analyze your transactions. The app automatically categorizes your spending, making it super easy to see where your money is going, together. Now for the magic, shared bills. In this section, you can tag recurring bills like rent or utilities and easily assign ownership to either partner or split the cost. Create a shared budget. Work together to set realistic spending limits for different categories like groceries, entertainment, and travel. This ensures you're both on the same page. And that's it. With Rocket Money, you'll be on your way to financial harmony and a stronger relationship. Say goodbye to money arguments and hello to a brighter financial future together.